Okay, hello there. Today we've got a 2005 SY Territory Ghia, rear wheel drive, automatic. Here it is. Some leather trim, bit of wear on the driver's seat there, all the electrics work, and the vehicle has travelled 234,785 kilometres. Start it up, and there we go. These engines last forever, these things, so don't be scared of the kilometres. It's a Ghia, it's got the dual zone air, it's got the reverse camera, where we're going or where we've been. Stereo works. Enough of that. Yeah, so leather seats, front and rear. Hasn't got the third row dicky seat, it's got a leather console lid there, blah blah blah. Right, do the walk around. There we go here. You can read the compliance plates there. A bit noisy out here. A bit of soundproof booth. Let's open the bonnet. Peer under there. So it's got good mud guards, good Ghia front bar, broken spotlight there. Bonnet's got three tiny dings. Very, very minor. There's the old 4 litre Barra, traction control, ABS, all the standard stuff. Motor on slide. Good headlights, good spotlight there, good mudguard. We've got a set of wheels that are 10 spoke, whatever we call them. Tyres around 65%, a couple of tiny marks on the rims, side steps. Tiny marks in that door. There you go in there. Also, I forgot to mention, it's got a DVD player, roof mounted one, which I haven't really played with yet, but it's in there. It's up there. It's like the genuine item. Get the kids happy. Been hitting the rear, this one, good tail light. Got the tool kit, jack and brace. Spare wheels under there, the tow bar. Look at that. Very interesting. Alright, a couple of marks on this door. Front door's got a bit of a ding in it. That's about it. We'll turn away there. There you go forever. It's got roof racks, but I haven't got the key for the racks, which is a bit of a bummer. But anyway. Okay. There's a roof for you. Alright, that's it. That's broken in case you're asking. Alright, I'll just kill it now. That's it. Give us a call if you need anything. We're here to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.